Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to pair your Astro A50 wireless headset with any Windows PC or laptop. First, charge your headset using the micro USB port. Turn it on using the power button located on the right headphone. Wait a bit until the indicator turns on, meaning the device is working properly. Next, take the charging station and at the back you'll find a micro USB port. Plug the micro USB cable into the station. The other end, USB-A, goes into your PC or laptop. Switch from S4 to PC mode. The indicator should activate, meaning everything is fine. Place your headset on the station, aligning the pins. On the PC, click the sound icon and open Sound Settings. For output, select your Astro A50, and for the microphone, select the Astro Voice Setup. Open the Microsoft Store, search for Astro, and install the Astro Command Center application. Open the app and you'll see the device is automatically detected.